All right, guys. This one we're going to talk about hard money loans. A lot of advertisements say 100% financing, and but there is a lot of costs that come with hard money loans. Number one, there is a down payment and closing costs, usually 15 to 20% of the purchase price. So even if the bank will lend you 90% of the acquisition, or even 100% of the acquisition, you have to come up with the closing costs usually and the points to bring to the closing table. Okay. Now, while you're carrying the mortgage or the hard money, you have to make your monthly interest payments, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month. So that adds up. So you always want to have reserves for monthly interest payments to the hard money lender. If not, they'll default and take the property from you, and you end up losing your deposit. Okay. Rehab costs until the draw money funds get funded. All right. So when you do get a hard money loan and rehab money put all into one loan, usually they'll lend you 90% or 100% in the rehab, but you have to start the rehab. So $10,000 or $15,000, $20,000 you need to have up front to start the rehab, the demolition, the framing, and then they send the inspectors out, and then they cut the first check. So seldomly do you get a draw at the closing table to start the renovations. Okay. And then also when you go to cash out refinance, or if you're keeping the property as an investment property, a multifamily, you have to now you have your new bank coming in to do the cash out refinance, and you got to pay for environmental, you have to pay for an appraisal, you have to pay for a commitment fee, a loan fee, etc., until that bank actually cashes you out and refinances. So there is a lot of costs. Even though it's 100% financing or 10% down or 5% down, whatever the case may be, to a hard money loan. Okay, these are things that you don't expect. And then also, while you're doing the renovations, you have unexpected rehab costs that come up. So you want to have a miscellaneous amount set aside for that. Okay, so these are the two guys that we use here in New Jersey for our hard money loans. And if you have any questions, you can follow us at Instagram, Money Makes Money 2, or RNT, hashtag RNTMNY. And if you want to sign up for our mentorship program, reiForDummies.com. Okay, thank you.